Example 2. The distance d an object falls in free fall, discounting air resistance, is proportional, that is directly proportional to the square of the time in motion. D is directly proportional to t squared. The Forest Hill Bridge, the tallest in California, is about 730 feet above the American River. You drop a stone from the bridge, the stone falls 16 feet in 1 second. How long will it take for the stone to reach the water? So distance is directly proportional to the square of t. Distance is 16 when t is 1 second, which means that k is 16, and d is 16 over t squared. D is 730 when you want to find t. So 730 is 16t squared divided by 16. And that gives you, the equal sign should be over here. This should not be in the denominator. That should be about 45.6 seconds. Oh, something is not quite the way it should be. The answer is supposed to be about 7 seconds. I'll go back and see. Example 3. The intensity I of a light source varies inversely as the square of the distance r from a light source. If the intensity is 12 lumens at a distance of 5 meters, what is the intensity when the distance is 10 meters? So I is k over r squared. I is 12 when r is 5, therefore k is equal to 300. I is 300 over r squared. And if r is equal to 10, I divide by 100, so I just get 3 lumens. A similar problem. F is directly proportional to m sub 1, m sub 2. G is the constant of proportionality. And r is the distance between the two bodies. Now suppose that G is given by 6.67 times 10 to the negative 11 newtons times meters squared divided by square kilometers. That doesn't sound right. Well, maybe it is. This is the unit for G. The mass of the moon is about 7.36 times 10 to the 22 kilograms. The mass of the Earth is 5.9742 times 10 to the 24. And the distance between the two bodies is about 384,402 kilometers. Isn't it amazing that they can measure this to just 1 kilometer? The astronauts had a long tape. So force is, the equal sign should be down here, G times m sub 1 times m sub 2 divided by r squared, which gives you something like 1.9, almost 2 times 10 to the 26. If you're interested in reading more about this, go to wikianswers.com, blah, 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 and so on. Exercises.